Quick update on three companies: Charbone, Plurilock, Oroco, and Aduro. And so I'm wearing the Aduro head. Some of you ordered this head. It's coming. It's been fulfilled. I also ordered one for myself, and it's been fulfilled, but I haven't gotten it yet. So don't worry. It's coming. Okay, so on Charbone first. Yesterday's press release, Charbone executed a master collaboration agreement to receive $1 million to support deployment of a Malaysian green hydrogen project development for a local partner. So, in other words, they're getting $1 million, like a consulting fee, to help somebody else with their green hydrogen project. And to put this in perspective, for companies like Charbone, Plurilock, and Oroco, it's literally like shoving food down investors' throat and they don't want to eat it. That's what it is. And the same thing was happening with Aduro. You had to shove it down their throat for 3 years, and after 3 years, they were like, oh, you know what? I think I need to eat. And that's what's happening. Because market cap yesterday, and by the way, that was yesterday, the stock traded a little bit. Today, they'll forget about this news, because that's how it is. So put things in perspective. Yesterday, the market cap of Charbone, I think it was around $5 million US dollars. So they received about 20% of consulting fee, 20% of market cap, and in one shot, and nobody seems to care. And again, another thing to put things in perspective, they had an independent valuation done under green hydrogen facilities using discounted cash flow analysis for the value of the company of $1 billion. And the market cap is 5 today, about 5 million. And they just received an order, 20% of market cap. Okay? And then another press release that was on June 4th, they executed 50 million financing to accelerated its hydrogen North American expansion facility by U.S. Capital Global. So now they have the project, now they have the financing, still nobody cares. We're going to keep shoving food down people's throat until they get it. Plurilock, this morning, press release, they announced a $2.5 million sale to a NASDAQ-listed enterprise. If you don't remember, Plurilock is a cybersecurity company. It's trading at a fraction of revenues, yearly revenues, at a fraction, about probably 2 times gross profit. Okay, it's not profitable yet, but I think it doesn't matter what press release they come out with. They could have a Jesus Christ or God Himself, hires Plurilock for cybersecurity in heaven. Like, it wouldn't matter. The only thing that will move Plurilock is NASDAQ or a buyout. Nobody cares about anything else. Moving on to Oroco. So copper went over $5 per pound today. So I think Oroco is trading for like 2% of NPV, something like that. Again, keep shoving food down people's throat. They don't care. They don't want it. Now you have politicians begging to put this product into production. It's like the probability of their not getting a permit is like 0. It doesn't matter. We don't care. We don't want money. Okay. The only one that's moving is Aduro Clean Technologies. But after 2 years of shoving food down people's throat, after 2 years of telling them this is the best plastic recycling technology in the world, only after they uplisted to NASDAQ, that November, that's the only thing that actually mattered. Like when it was trading on a garage sale in Canada, nobody cared. So what we have here, Aduro Clean Technologies welcomes David Weinsbach as Chief Operating Officer. And David has a lot of experience, over 30 years of experience with Nova Chemicals. So look up Nova Chemicals, what they do. They have a recycling facility, and this individual is kind of like Mr. Eric Appelman. A lot of experience with somebody else, and now they're joining Aduro. Right around the corner, when the pilot is about to be done, why are they joining? Right? Why are people with so much experience in the industry joining Aduro right before the pilot is finished? You gotta, guys, connect the dots, and that's all I can say. So you got 4 updates on 4 different companies. 3 of them keep shoving food down people's throat. The 4th one, people are actually eating something.